Tesla's stocks are all the buzz right now, and with the fall in the price of the company's stock, many people are looking to buy. So we look at why you only need 48 Tesla stocks to be a millionaire. Currently, the company's stock price is at $944, and anytime it falls under $1,000, you have a lot of people buying it. We will explain more about it in the video. We look at how Tesla has been doing financially from 2021 and the beginning of 2022. We also try to analyze what is to come with the 5-year analysis made by Ameritrade TD and other top analysts. When is the best time to buy Tesla stock? How much Tesla stock is it safe to buy? We answer these questions and more in today's video. The stock price of a company fluctuates based on the news coming out of the company. Still, Tesla ended the previous year on a solid note and looks to continue strong in 2022, leaving many people wondering what 2022 has in store for the company. As a result, many people hedge their bets with the electric vehicle manufacturer. When Tesla announced that it delivered more cars than expected in 2021, the market went into a frenzy. Stock prices skyrocketed, and Tesla talk seemed never-ending. With such a strong start, it appears that Tesla is set to have huge earnings. Despite the company's many problems, such as supply chain disruptions and vehicle recalls, the company still managed to finish well. Tesla has shown promise that it will dominate this year as well. Of all the most popular and much discussed stocks on the market, Tesla seems to take the lead. It appears even more so now in several online discussion forums. Many people wonder if it is indeed a great idea to bet on Tesla. Tesla's stock isn't surging due to chance or the whim of the wind. One of the reasons why Tesla is expected to have such a strong year in terms of profitability is that its lofty valuations will be justified. Tesla's market capitalization now stands at a little more than $1 trillion. The price tag is imposed on the corporation because of its technology rather than the number of units delivered. Tesla is presently one of the top 10 most valuable firms globally, and it trades at the highest price-to-earnings multiples of 360 times. The patterns back up the hefty value price tag imposed on the electric car manufacturer. According to a recent report, Tesla delivered a record-breaking amount of automobiles in the fourth quarter of 2021, with 308,600 units shipped. Tesla increased by 87% year over year. The prior report anticipated the firm to deliver around 267,000 vehicles before the end of the year, while the full-year analysis estimated the company to deliver about 897,000 cars. However, the company exceeded expectations by providing 936,000 vehicles. In 2022, the business expects to supply around 1.3 million automobiles. Other experts expect the company's output figure to be 2 million units based on its pledge and the renovation of its gigafactories in Texas and Germany. However, the figure is not considered an issue for the firm. While some experts believe the valuation placed on the company is a little excessive, others say it is precise. One of the analysts on this side is Mad Money's Jim Cramer. He pointed out that if Tesla is viewed as a giant technology company above all else, the valuation is proper. The valuation may appear expensive now, but we all know that technology cheapens over time. Supply chain issues plagued the company's overall unit growth in 2021. However, it is highlighted that the dynamic will be significantly moderated, with 1.4 million to 1.5 million units likely within reach yearly by 2022. The Elon Musk factor is another reason why Tesla is expected to gain a lot of money this year. The CEO's genius has managed to propel his firm to the forefront of the electric vehicle race. With its doggedness and genius, Tesla has produced some wonderful goods and gotten the market to wait with eager eyes for the next release from the auto company. This year, Musk will release new vehicle models such as the Tesla semi-truck, Roadster, and a low-cost electric car in 2022. Any good news from Musk regarding Tesla boosted the company's stock near the end of the previous year. Musk stated in a podcast that Tesla would most likely reach Level 4 autonomy in 2022, which is a significant milestone because it signifies that we are only one step away from living in a science fiction reality. Level 5 autonomy indicates that no human intervention is necessary. Level 3 autonomy controls the vehicle on established routes for a few minutes. Many investors are always looking for some fanciful potential and ignore the fundamentals. Regardless, Musk has managed to build his influence in such markets that eyes unconsciously go back to his company as one of the world's wealthiest persons. What Musk does attracts market attention. Musk's input in the cryptocurrency space has also managed to link his company with the bubbling potential market. His Bitcoin and Dogecoin related to Tesla are so tied to the world of Bitcoin. In the world of electric vehicles, Tesla is the unquestioned head of the pack and the indisputable victor of the race. The firm has an outstanding market share of 15% and is followed by Volkswagen and General Motors as of 2021. the electric vehicle sector was $287 billion in 2021 and is predicted to increase over $1.3 trillion by 2028. Now let's talk about what's expected for Tesla stock for the earnings coming up pretty soon. We're going to go over in detail a breakdown of exactly what's expected for Tesla when it comes to the revenue numbers and earnings per share. We've been getting many price hikes from different analysts coming out. So we got the JP Morgan, we got the Morgan Stanley, and now many people are saying and coming out and being super bullish with the Tesla stock. A new price from Seeking Alpha says that Tesla might be on its way to $2,500 by 2025. As a result, that is quite near ARK Invest's price forecast, which is around $3,000. That means that many people are getting closer to the pricing level of ARK Invest's expectations. So let's go through them and look at why they believe Tesla stock might hit $2,500 in 2025. As we discussed previously, Tesla has been crushing the delivery numbers, and their earnings report is coming out. A lot of people and different analysts are expecting this number to increase. For example, Morgan Stanley analysts expect Tesla to deliver more than 2 million vehicles in 2022. That's going to be a record for Tesla. This number is expected to rise higher and higher as we get these new gigafactories opening in Europe and the United States that can be increased as those delivery numbers increase. Of course, revenue is going to be exploding. So let's talk about what to expect for this Q4 earnings. The average expectation for revenue for the fourth quarter of Tesla's earnings is around $16 billion. People expect $18 billion in revenue on the high end, which is still high. Even with the average expectation of $16.15 billion in revenue, that is still a 52% year-over-year increase. On the higher end, we have $18 billion in revenue, a 68% increase in revenue year-over-year. Now let's talk about what retail investors have done for Tesla stock in December. We have a strategist from TD Ameritrade, one of the largest brokerage accounts in the United States. According to TD Ameritrade Chief Market Analyst JJ Kanan, Tesla represents a measure of market confidence. In my perspective, this is a name that truly is a confidence measure, Kanan told Yahoo Finance Live. If it falls below $950, you'll see people come in and purchase it up until it reaches about $1,050. Then, when it rises beyond $1,050, it appears to make clients concerned and the volume of buying there begins to dwindle. Despite a scorching inflation reading, the electric car giant's shares rose more than 4% recently. This, in a sense, is my gauge of those who are more confident in the market. When people are a little more concerned, we go to Apple and Microsoft, Kanan stated. Our clients took less exposure to the markets in December than they had all year, Kanan added. You started to see how rapidly that feeling can flip and individuals rushing in to purchase the dip earlier this week, he said. Growth stocks were under pressure last week as Federal Reserve minutes took a more hawkish tone. On Monday, numerous large-cap tech and internet stocks began down but ended the day flat or higher. Several analysts continue to favor growth business with strong balance sheets despite recent turbulence. Tesla will release its financial report by the 26th of January 2022. Tesla will release a brief alert at that time with a link to the Q4 full year 2021 updates, which will be available on Tesla's investor relations website. Do you think Tesla will break the expected values for its Q4 earnings? Comment down below.